Hi guys, today we will explain what the numbers on the tires of your RAV4 mean. We will start with the tire width, which is represented by this number 225. It's 225 millimeters from this sidewall to the interior sidewall. So this is basically the width of the tire itself. The next number that you can see after the slash is the height of the sidewall shown in the aspect ratio. So this basically means that the tire sidewall's height is 65% of its width. So again, 65 from this width of the tire. If we multiply the 225, which is the width, by 0.65, we will get the height of our tire. In this case, it's 146.25 millimeters. Again, this is the height of the sidewall from wheel to thread. The next number is R17. This is pretty straightforward. R stands for the radial tire, and the 17 is represented in inches, and this is the diameter of the wheel itself. Now we will take a look at this number right here, 102H. Each tire has a load limit, which is the maximum amount of weight that it can hold. And this is represented by the number 102. In case of our Toyota RAV4, 102 means that each tire can hold 1,874 pounds of weight. The speed rating is a letter that follows the load rating. You will see this H here. This indicates the maximum speed that this particular tire can handle. In case of our Toyota RAV4, it is 130 miles per hour. By the way, I will leave the tables with this data in the description. This way you can see all other values in case if you have different tire. On the tire you will also see the max load, which we actually covered before, which is a load index, which was represented by the 102 number, is also shown here, 1,874 pounds. And besides that, you will see the maximum pressure that this tire can handle, which is 51 psi. The recommended tire pressure for this tire is 36. Another interesting piece of information that you will find on the tire is the date code. It shows when the tire was made. So you will see this dot and a series of number after that, and we are particularly interested in this in the last four numbers. In this case, it's 0620. The first two numbers represent the week, and the second two numbers represent the year when the tire was made. So in this case, it was made on the 6th week of the 2020. And in case if you forgot, there are 52 weeks in the year. This way you can figure out the age of your tire and replace it on time. For example, Bridgestone recommends to replace tires at least once every 10 years, regardless of the tread depth. On the tire you will also see the treadwear grade, the traction and the temperature, and I'll quickly explain what they mean. So the treadwear grade, in this case I believe it says 540. This indicates how long the tread on the tire will last. For example, a tire with a 300 treadwear rating will last 3 times as long as the one with 100 rating, etc. So the higher the number, the longer the tire should last. And in this case, as you can see, it's 540, which is pretty good. The next is the traction, represented by B. In this case, this means how well the tire performs on the wet surface. Basically, there are only 4 categories, which is AA, A, B, and C. AA being the best and C being the worst. And in this case, it is B. The last one of these 3 is the temperature grade. This indicates the tire's ability to dissipate heat at high speed. And there are 3 categories, A, B, C. A is actually the best. That's it for our explanation. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this information will help you to answer any questions that you may had about all this data and numbers on your tires. And we will see you in the next video.